Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and today we're going to show you a very interesting video. It is a stripped down L-track massage chair with quad rollers, airbags, and I'm going to show you what the chair looks like when you peel away all the outer upholstery and outer shell. And it's pretty neat. I hope you find this video as interesting as it is for me to make it. You'll see here the roller mechanism. This is a quad roller. You got two on the top, two on the bottom. This is a roller that's made with a hard rubber, smooth surface roller. And this is the roller track that it goes down on. And this roller mechanism, this whole thing is called the roller mechanism. There's a motor back here behind it, and it has the springs that manage the movement of the roller arms. And then the gears here, I don't know if you can see it, but the gears here at the top of the roller mechanism line up with the little treads on the roller track. And this roller, you'll see it now start to move down, but it'll go up and down this track all the way underneath the seat because it's an L track, so it'll go underneath the seat and massage that as well. Now down here, you can see also the airbags. We've got foot and calf airbags, and they're inflated right now, so they're kind of pushing, but they inflate, and that's all they are. It's just like a hard silicone or vinyl airbag that inflates with air and compresses the legs and compresses the feet. This one has foot rollers as well, but we could not gain access to see the foot rollers. Now, if you look inside, first of all, you'll see that the chair is tilted back already. And the tilt on the chair is what we typically call a zero gravity position. But if you look inside the roller mechanism, or inside the chair, you'll see the motherboard, the electronics that kind of the brains of the operation. There's a remote control that plugs into that. I was holding the remote control earlier, and you can see the remote control here, and that plugs into the electronics of the chair, and that basically runs the show. And over here you can see the air compressor, and that is what turns on the air for the arm airbags and for the foot airbags and the calf airbags. You can also see back here an actuator. This is a device. They have one typically for the chair body, and you'll see it extends over here and pushes the body out. So that is for raising and lowering the chair, like upright to neutral or back into reclined. And then there's another actuator in here, and it might be a little harder to see this one too because you got to come around this side. This is the second actuator, and this is the one that raises the leg rests. So there's two actuators, and oftentimes when there's a problem with a chair, it has to do with the chair not being able to go up and down, or the ottoman or the leg rest not being able to go up and down. And that is that's the actuator. Those are the actuators that do that motion. But this is the basic functionality of a massage chair across the board. It's very, very similar for most chairs. Of course, some chairs nowadays have more electronics, more split track features, more other boards. Like this is a motherboard, but there may be like a secondary board elsewhere on some of the newer chairs. But this basically gives you an idea of how the whole massage chair looks on the inside and how it runs. And very educational. And this is something that you can now, when you sit in a chair and you buy a chair, you can understand a little bit about what's going on. And when there's a problem with your chair, something breaks down, it's usually one of these things, either the roller mechanism. In some chairs they have like a hard plastic roller arm, and that can break off, or the rollers fall off. Sometimes the track gets stripped, actuators stop working. Sometimes the air pump in the air compressor stops working. The motor to the roller sometimes will stop. So there's all these little things that can cause problems for your chair. And for the most part, these chairs will function for a long, long time without a problem. They're designed to last a long time. There's no need to lubricate anything. There's no need to do an oil change or a tune-up. The chairs are built to last a long time and function with all their parts without any human intervention unless there's a problem. And that's where our lifetime labor warranty will kick in after the factory warranty expires. We will come in and do the technician will come and fix the chair. You'll need to get whatever parts you've got to have. He'll tell you what parts you need, but we pay for the technician. And that is basically the inner workings of a massage chair. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and of course, help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video or any of our videos with your friends and family through your various and sundry social media platforms. I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.